Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Ulefone Armor X10 Live Crash Test. In our daily lives, random crashes will occur, placing your phone in danger. The Ulefone Armor X10 is said to be sturdy enough to withstand sudden shocks. The Ulefone attempted to duplicate many real-life accident tests in order to validate its robustness. They made a video out of regular occurrences in order to irritate the phone. Rugged phones are more resistant to such mishaps than regular smartphones. In the first test, the tester attempted to smash the Armor X10 with a stapler, resulting in a bent nail, but no damage to the screen. They then attempted to scrape the camera with a screwdriver back and forth. However, even after being wiped with a cloth, the camera retains its smooth and glossy surface. The screen is scratched in a similar manner using a knife. The screen is still intact despite the fact that a piece of sticky note has been sliced through it. To further evaluate the screen's firmness, the tester chopped an apple on it with a big knife. Still, the screen is ideal for any operation because there are no scratches on it. Next in the experiment, they lined up the walnuts and crushed them one by one with the tough phone. Despite the smashed nuts, the phone appears to be unharmed. But what if the device is dropped into a bucket full of sharp nails, calipers, knives, and other construction tools and vigorously shaken? But the rugged phone appears to be in good condition, and all functions and features remain untouched. After that, the phone is tossed from a specific height down a staircase, but it remains safe and sound. The Ulefone Armor X10 is shockproof and waterproof up to 1.5 m. It features a 5.45-inch screen, 2 super linear speakers, and 2 smart PA systems. In addition, it supports headset-free FM radio. The Armor X10 appears to be completely shockproof from a sudden drop and other life disasters. So it may be a handset that is suitable for a household with bad boys or even for busy construction workers. If you've always wanted to explore tough phones, this is an excellent option. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.